Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're a Toyota owner, especially with a 2025 model, you might have noticed that flashing AC light that's more annoying than a backseat driver. Don't panic. It's often a sign of a simple issue that you can fix yourself. In today's video, we'll dive into the common causes and walk you through the steps to get your AC back up and running smoothly. Let's jump right in. First things first, that flashing light typically means there's a problem with your air conditioning system. It could be something as straightforward as low refrigerant levels, a faulty pressure sensor, or even an electrical glitch. Before you start, make sure your car is parked in a safe, well-ventilated area, and always wear gloves and safety glasses to protect yourself from any refrigerants or sharp parts. Step 1. Check the basics. Pop the hood and inspect the AC fuses and relays in your fuse box. They might be blown or loose, which is an easy fix. If everything looks good there, move on to step 2. Look for visible leaks. Refrigerant leaks are a common culprit. Use a UV leak detection kit if you have one. It's a game changer for spotting those hard-to-see issues. If you find a leak, you'll need to repair it and recharge the system, but don't attempt this without the proper tools and knowledge. Now, for step 3. Use a diagnostic scanner. Many 2025 Toyota models have OBD2 ports that let you read error codes. Plug in a compatible scanner, and it might give you a specific code like AC pressure sensor error. Reset the code if it's minor, but if it persists, it's time for step 4. Consider professional help. If you're not comfortable with DIY repairs, take it to a certified mechanic to avoid causing more damage. There you have it. A straightforward guide to fixing that flashing AC light on your Toyota. Remember, regular maintenance can prevent these issues, so keep up with your service schedule. If this video helped you, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more car tips, and let me know in the comments if you have any other Toyota troubles. Drive safe, and I'll see you in the next one.